Hello traders, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new quick intraday video in which we will take a look on just on dollar index, because I think that we have some very interesting pattern going on. So if you are able to spot the right direction on dollar index, then obviously this could help you to identify also a direction on other currencies as well, such as euro, pound, okay, or even Swiss franc, even Japanese yen. So on dollar index, before we go to the real-time chart, so just let me take a look on this part of the theory. So we will be talking about triangles. Triangles, as you know, can occur in wave 4, wave B, or even wave X position. Okay, here in this slide we have examples of triangle placed in a wave 4 and a triangle placed in a wave B. Okay, what is really interesting and important is that both patterns are corrective, means that they occurred in the middle of a larger uptrend. So you should expect more gains once these patterns are complete. Okay, now the question is when this pattern will be finished. Well, at the moment, dollar index is actually still trading sideways, so both counts should be considered. Okay, unless you see a straight clear break out of the range. Okay, so actually here on the left I'm looking for a triangle in a wave 4. It's an ABCDE triangle, and actually this count or this triangle should be confirmed as completed when you spot a break or decisive break above wave D level. Okay, and obviously at the same time the price would be above this trend line. So when you spot this breakout, then you can say the triangle is finished and that we are going higher. Okay, so as long the price is still beneath wave D, we need to consider this wave count, which is actually also corrective movement, but a little bit more complex. It's still in three waves, so it's actually this first leg down represents wave A, then you have a sideways move for a wave B, which is a triangle, and then you would expect wave C drop. So this count would come into play as long the market is trading beneath wave C, but this wave D point, okay, is a confirmed level for a drop into wave C. So as long the market is actually trading sideways, we don't know which count is it. At the moment, I see dollar index exactly at this stage here. Okay, as I will show you on this chart in a second. So here is my first wave count. It's actually primary wave count. It shows a triangle in a wave 4. It can be already finished here. As you know, I mentioned on Friday I had a non-farm pairs report that market needs to stay above this swing high to for a valid formation. Okay, for now this is playing out very nicely because market turned to the upside, as you can see. So actually here we count waves A, wave B, wave C, wave D, and wave E. And if we are correct, then obviously we should continue higher from here and took out this wave D resistance level as well as this trend line. Okay, so if we'll be able to push even higher in today's close or tomorrow, then I think the dollar index will be headed higher straight up into wave 5. Okay, but as long this level holds, we need to consider alternate counts. So the second count is actually a triangle in a wave B. So I labeled here as a sharp decline for a wave A, and then we got a sideways move for a wave B, probably a triangle, then we could see it move down into wave C of wave 4. Okay, so notice that here the most important level will be this wave C, because below this wave C, this triangle count for a wave B remains valid. Okay, but if we see spike above this level, then this would be invalidated, and in that case I would stay focused on this wave count, okay, which means more gains ahead. So at the moment it's still a little bit too early to call any or confirm the direction from here for the US dollar, but it can be very interesting if you're tracking smaller time frames. Now if you spot a 5-wave rally from this wave ELO, then this could be some signature that we are heading higher. But on this intraday hourly chart, I don't see any 5 waves up yet, this is actually a 3-wave movement, okay, but it can be a 5-wave move in progress, okay. Now this is just live tracking market, so nothing is confirmed yet, but it will go even higher in today's US close towards 161.8% extension, which is ideal or typical Fibonacci extension level for a wave 3. Well, then in that case, this will be first signature that we are trading impulsively higher from end of wave 4 triangle, and that market will go much higher in days ahead, okay. But as long we don't have 5 waves up from this wave low, well, you cannot confirm bullish prices just yet. So for now, dollar index is still sideways, but if we'll see continuation higher through wave D swing point, then I will be very interested to look for some dollar longs opportunity, okay. But as long that's not the case, I think that it's better to wait a little bit more time, because as I said, we could see a reversal down into wave C, okay. So traders, that's it for this intraday video. I will catch you with other stuff on our intraday updates page. Have a good day.